In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add loop over items node in n8n. If you're building automations that need to repeat the same action for every record, the loop over items node is your best friend. It takes whatever comes in as a list of items and cycles through them one by one, so you can apply the rest of your workflow to each item consistently. First, open your n8n workflow canvas. At the top right of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new node. This opens the node picker, which lets you quickly find exactly what you need without scrolling through long lists. Use the search bar and type loop over items. As you type, n8n filters the results. When you see the loop over items node in the list, click it to add and open its setup screen. In the setup screen, start on the left side. This is where you select or add input data. Choose the incoming data source you want this node to loop through. If you already have items from a previous node, point this input to that source. If you're preparing the node in isolation, you can add sample input here just to configure it accurately. Now, look to the right side. Here you decide what should happen with the output of the loop, or you can run an execute action to preview behavior. Selecting the output ensures that once the node finishes processing each item, the results are available exactly where you expect them in the subsequent step. In the middle panel, adjust the node's parameters and settings. This is where you define how the node interprets the incoming items and how the iteration should proceed. Use expressions if you need dynamic values, and double-check any fields that reference specific keys in your data. Clear, predictable parameters help prevent unexpected results when your workflow runs at scale. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, close the setup window. You'll see the loop over items node placed on your canvas, ready to participate in your workflow. Because you configured inputs, outputs, and parameters up front, the node is immediately usable and easier to troubleshoot if something doesn't look right later. That's all there is to it. You've added the loop over items node in n8n, connected it to the data you care about, and tuned its behavior. With this in place, you can reliably process each item in a list using the same logic, keeping your automations clean, consistent, and scalable.